Are we over?
I think weight.
Tiny bit, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Half a pound on both bots right now. We have some ideas for how to remove weight that aren't too invasive. So hopefully, to a test, a little bit elbow grease will be good.
We never weighed the full configuration. 0.5 testers.
Yeah, we're not gonna take out 0.5
The backlog in here. This one is just half a pound is a lot. Here, can you get the wear in there?
I can't get the wear on.
So you're, all right, so you're good so far as physical goes. Now let's put the part. Go ahead, transmitters on, turn the robot on, then take the weapon safety out.
I have high hopes for you guys. Alright, you're showing controlled movement. Go ahead, spin the weapon up. Alright. 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, you're good. Okay. Now comes the last and final part. Back up to the door and you'll be good. Once you do that, take your robot back to the pit space. Don't mess with it at all until tomorrow, and then don't mess with it at all until you're, after your first fight. You got to get repaired.
We're so back. Now we just gotta get the other one and wait.
Well, I was saying, can we learn to wait?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah.